In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your email address on your Binance account. First, log into your Binance account and hover over the profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Account. Next, go to the Security section and click Manage next to Email. Now, click the Edit icon to start updating your email address before continuing. Take a moment to read the notes carefully. When you change your email address, withdrawals and P2P transactions will be temporarily disabled for 24 hours for security reasons. Also, your old email address can't be used to re-register for 30 days. Once you've reviewed that information, verify your request using your passkey or your two-factor authentication device. After verification, enter your new email address and click Get Code. Check your new email inbox for the verification code. Enter it on Binance and then click Submit, and that's it. Your email address has been successfully updated. Just remember, for security purposes, withdrawals and P2P transactions will remain disabled for the next 24 hours.